Come on. Come on, baby. There she goes. Well, hey, you're listening to 92.8 Shaman FM. Stay subscribed. You know you like it.
Baby, I may not drive a Cadillac, but I got 4 wheels, a little rust, and a whole lot of love. I pull up slow, windows don't roll down, paint faded, tailpipe rattling, engine moan. But girl, you can still get in and call it home. Rollin' in my hooptie, ain't no luxury, but it moves me. No leather seats, no fancy chrome, but when you're riding with me, you're never alone. Driver's side mirror, held on with tape, radio stuck 92.8. Got fuzzy dice, swinging from the dash. Ooh, she likes it. Baby, it ain't about the shine, it's about the ride and the love inside. Every dent, every scratch tells a tale. We got nothing to prove. We just set sail. Rollin' in my hooptie. Bucket seats and busted heat. But you choose me. We ain't rich, but we roll with pride. And my feet down faded with you by my side. It ain't the car, baby. It's the connection. Let's take this rust bucket all the way to heaven.
Rollin' in my hooptie. Rollin' in my hooptie. Rollin' in my hooptie. Rollin' in my hooptie.
Thanks for watching, baby. You know, if this made you laugh, you gotta tap that subscribe button.